we sweep back, come underhand on the right, and then we're going to sweep up, over, wrap into the buzzsaw, split the timing. Yeah, nice. And then let's release. We'll do it again. We'll just do it a couple times to practice. Sweep back, up, over the top, wrap into the buzzsaw, split the time. Nice. And release. And we'll do 3 more. So sweep back, up, over the top, wrap, split the time into your buzzsaw. Nice. And release. And sweep back, up, over the top, into the buzzsaw. And release, and then last time, so sweep back up over the top into your buzzsaw. Okay, now let's release, and let's start with a chasing the sun. So we'll do chase the sun 1, 2, 3. Now on the 4th one, we're going to come up over the top and wrap and go into it. Nice. Okay, release, and we'll do that again. So we'll chase the sun 3 times. 1, 2, 3, up, over the top, wrap into your buzzsaw. And release. And chase the sun 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now on the 4th one, come up over the top, wrap, split the time in your buzzsaw. Release. Chase the sun 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one, up over the top, wrap, come into your buzzsaw, and then last time through, so we'll chase the sun 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one, up over the top, wrap, split your time into your buzzsaw. Excellent. Okay, now giant on the left, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, then swivel to the right, 1, 2, 3, giants. And then we're going to go into the swivel, 1, 2, 3. And now on the 4th one, come down on the left, then chase the sun 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then on the 4th one, come up over the top, wrap, and go into your buzzsaw. So we're combining the stuff that we've been working on all together here. And we'll release, and then we'll do that again. So we're going to do the giant 3 times on the left. 1, 2, 3. Now swivel to the right. 1, 2, 3. Now swivel into the swivel. So 1 and 2 and 3. And now on the 4th one, come down into the chase the sun. 1, 2, 3. And now on the 4th one, come up over the top, wrap, and split the time into the buzzsaw. Yeah. And release. Let's do it again. So we'll go in the giant. 1, 2, 3, and now swivel to the right, underhand giant. 1, 2, 3, and now swivel into the swivel. 1 and 2 and 3, and now on the 4th one, come down into the chase the sun. 1 and 2 and 3. Now we're going to sweep up over the top, wrap a poi, split the time into your buzzsaw. Yeah, nice. Okay, and here we go. Release, and in your giant again. 1, 2, 3, and to the right, underhand. 1 and 2 and 3, and swivel. 1 and 2 and 3, and now on the 4th one, come down into your chase the sun. 1, 2, 3, and now on your 4th one, come up over the top, wrap the poi, split the time. You're in your buzzsaw. Okay, and we'll do this one more time. Here we go. From the giant. 5, 6, 7, and giant. 1, 2, 3, and swivel to the right. And 1, 2, 3, and into the swivel. 1, 2, 3. Now on the 4th one, come down into your chase the sun for 1, 2, 3, and then on your 4th one, sweep back up over the top, wrap into the poi, come into your buzzsaw. Now, tip the poi so that it comes down onto your right hand, and then go into the corkscrew. From that buzzsaw into the corkscrew, so we'll triple layer kick. Yes, and then come into the one on the left arm. and then back to your corkscrew. Yes, lovely. So extended combo. We'll do a weave, turnaround 360 to the right, a weave, turnaround 360 to the left, giant for 3, underhand giant for 3, and then you're going to swivel, and then from your swivel you're going to go into your sweep, and then on your fourth chase the sun, you're going to come up over the top, wrap, then plane shift it, come down into your buzzsaw, triple layer cake into the other buzzsaw. Let us start in the overhand weave facing the left. Okay, here we go. We're going to do a right 360, and then a left 360, and then a giant, and a second giant, and a third giant. Swivel to the right, come into the underhand giant, second giant, third giant. Then we're going to go into the swivel 3 times. And on the fourth one, we're going to come into the chase the sun for 3, 2, 3, and then on the fourth one, come up over the top, wrap the poi, come down, split the time into your buzzsaw, plane shift it, drop it down onto the right arm, come into your corkscrew, and then drop it down into the buzzsaw on the left arm. Yes, lovely. Overhand weave, and here we go. We're going to do the right turn, 365, 6, 7, 8. So right turn 360, left turn 360, into your giants, and then we're going to swivel to the underhand giants, and then we're going to go into the swivel counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3. Now on the fourth one, come into the chase the sun. 2, 3. And now on the fourth one, you're going to sweep back up over the top, wrap it. Now plane shift it down into the buzzsaw. Come into your corkscrew and the triple layer cake. And then we're going to come into the other buzzsaw left on bottom. And release. We'll do it again, starting from the overhand weave on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right turn 360. Left turn 360. Into your giant. And swivel to your underhand giant. And then we're going to go into the swivel. And then from the swivel, we're going to go into the chase the sun. 1 and 2 and 3. And sweep back up over, wrap the poi, come into the buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto the right side, go into the inside plane corkscrew, and then come into the other buzzsaw with the left on bottom. Yes, yes, lovely. Okay, we'll do the combo 2 more times, and then I'll have you demonstrate it to me. Okay, so starting from overhand weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8, right turn 360, then left turn 360, then into the giant, 2, 3, and swivel to the right to underhand giant, 2, 3, and come back to the front in the swivel, and 2, and 3, and then come down into the chase the sun, 1, and 2, and 3, and sweep back up over the top, wrap the poi, come into the buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto the right arm, come into the inside plane corkscrew, and then come into the other buzzsaw with the left on bottom. Yeah, lovely. Okay, and here we go. Long poi again, and starting from the overhand weave, 5, 6, 7, 8, right turn 360, left turn 360, into the giants, and then we're going to swivel to the right to the underhand, and then we're going to come into the counterclockwise, swivel here, third time, and now come into the chase the sun, 1, 2, 3, and sweep back up over the top, wrap the poi, come into your buzzsaw, drop it down in the plane shift to the right arm on bottom buzzsaw, come into the inside plane corkscrew, and then come into the other buzzsaw with the left on bottom.